Hello, I'm Dr. Sylvia from Cutis Medical Laser Clinics. Today, we are going to talk about facial aging and steps we can do to reverse or slow down its effect. Facial aging is a complicated process that results of changes in various layers of the skin, muscle, and even bone. Over the years, our skin loses elasticity. It stretches and sags downwards because of loss of collagen and loss of volume, resulting in a dropping appearance to our faces. Brown spots also appear over time, and this is because of sun damage. Together, these changes can make a person look tired and older than they really are. Because every layer of the skin and its underlying structures go through changes over time, each aspect needs to be addressed, ideally with a combination of treatments. For example, we can use surface treatments such as skin care, lasers, chemical peels to lighten pigmentation, reduce fine lines, and smoothen uneven skin texture. We can use deeper lifting and collagen-building treatments such as Ultherapy, as well as placement of threads to lift and tighten sagging skin on the brows, jawline, and even the neck. For wrinkles caused by repeated muscle movements, small doses of botulinum toxin injection can relax the muscles and smoothen the wrinkles. Lastly, we need to restore volume loss, and we use injectable facial fillers to give support and lift sunken cheeks, improving the under-eye areas and giving sharpness to our jawline. All these different treatments can be confusing. It is important that you find a physician that you are comfortable with and that you trust, because you will be sharing most intimate information about your skin and aging concerns. At Cutis, we start the consultation process with a specialized skin analysis and facial photography to identify objectively potential areas of improvement. Once we understand your concerns as well as your motivations, we together develop a treatment plan that addresses your short-term, medium, and long-term aging concerns. We also discuss clinical studies, risks and benefits of the various treatments to allow you to make informed decisions about your treatment options. In so doing, together we develop a customized treatment plan that suits your individual needs and concerns. If you'd like to find out more on how to reduce age-related signs on your face, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to assist you in discussing your various treatment options. Thank you.